Hi, this is Bhairavi Shah. I am a numerologist, a tarot reader, a card reader you can say, and also I have multiple areas where I do provide professional assistance or contribution in people's lives. You can check it out in the areas around this information that you have got. We are working on Lenormand basic meanings of the cards, and right now we have reached to card number 14, that is Fox. Fox in the tarot world or card reading world, Fox is something that you feel usually to be careful about something. It literally means, I have just written it down in case I miss it out, deceit, wrong, fraud. However, because of these big words, please do not forget one thing in tarot world, card reading world or Lenormand world. I also personally associate this card as a working employee, but that employee doesn't mean that they are fraud. It's a 9-to-5 job. So in that scenario, you have to keep away the fraud, the wrong, the deceit out of the equation. Now, if it comes in the area of love and relationship, getting this Fox in the area of love, relationship, or anything related to heart matters, there you need to be a little bit careful. It may mean the person seems or is coming across as they are not. In my opinion, now keeping aside that love indication matter, in my opinion, sometimes Fox may mean diplomacy. So somebody very tactful, diplomatic about answering and replying. They are smart and, as the Fox implies, shrewd as well. But please be careful about judging another person, because Fox may alone can imply an employee who is working, who has a regular timing job. Okay, so that you need to be careful about. As we have done Fox today, the basic meanings you would understand better, but please understand not to be judgmental unless it comes in a love reading. Be careful, be varied. Otherwise, you can, because you are learning, give a benefit of doubt in regards to not trying to judge a person in incorrect manner just because we've got the basic meanings as fraud, deceit and all that. They may be employee somewhere. They may be, an employee requires to be tactful and at the same time they are working. So as a job, it's a completely different thing. So we are done here for Fox. See you in the next card.